Hello, you're watching Channel 1, where today we reach the inevitable conclusion with my Citroen Xsara Picasso. Okay, so the saga of the Xsara Picasso is thus. ABS failure, gearbox failure, water leak, engine oil leak, gearbox oil leak, and during investigating all that, the fuel pump has also failed. So, considering I only paid £900 for the car some 6 odd years ago, haven't even washed it in that time, let alone serviced it. I've probably had my money's worth out of it, I would say. And now it is time for it to go to the scrapyard, because they've offered me £404 for it, which, as I say, considering how long I've had it, how little I've spent on it, that's a bit of a deal for me. You know, £100 a year loss on a car. As I say, I've never changed the oil on it. I'll go and show you what's in there now. I have topped it up occasionally because, as I say, it does have a leak. Haven't done a single service item on it. I think the most I've ever had to spend through an MOT was changing a couple of front drop links. That's been about it. So yeah, I've had my use. The cost of the car doesn't warrant any further investigation or fixing of it, so it is time to go. One last thing I am going to do on it is remove the battery, because it's still a good strong battery. I've tested that, so I'm going to keep that, and then it is bye bye. Right, so let's just show you the oil that's in it. A little bit black, a little bit runny. As I say, I don't even know if that's the right level for the oil, because this isn't the right dipstick for the car. But I say, all in all, it hasn't served me too badly. So whenever you're driving around in an oldish car, there does inevitably become this time when things start to go wrong. And it's important, unless you're driving some very rare classic car, to realise when enough is enough and it is time to get rid of the vehicle. And sadly, for this particular car, that time is now. There really is no point on a car of this age and this value, which I've certainly had my use out of, to spend, well, more than the car's worth just to keep it running. So goodbye Citroen Xsara Picasso, it's been fun. If this video was of any help to you, do please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel, it makes a massive difference to my son's life when he sees we've got some new subscribers. But whether you do or you don't, do please stay safe everybody, take care, peace.